everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all know, I moved to Berlin for my postgraduate studies. In this video, I'm going to show you how a student dormitory looks like here in Germany. The rent of my student dormitory is 450 euros. Without wasting any further time, let's get started with the apartment tour. So there are letter boxes near to the entrance of the main building, an elevator for the students. Also, you can use stairs as well. So this is the inside of the elevator, and the elevator is quite big and spacious. And also we have a mirror for a quick fit check. So this is the main entrance of my apartment, and just right to the apartment store there is a control panel to open door of the building whenever a guest come to visit you. Then we have a switch and a socket. Okay, so just to the left we have a mirror again, and a cupboard. So just after mirror we have hanger for the coat and a small side table as well. And to the right of the main door there is washroom. You can see here the room is quite big and airy, plus the sunlight is also here. Now just get into the washroom and we have a clean shower area. Then we have a sink with a mirror. Okay, so there is a quite good space to store or place your personal items. And obviously there is a heater as well, because in winter it is the most essential thing. Okay, so now there is a big cupboard for our clothes, and let me show you from it inside. It's a bit messy right now, but it's okay. You can have an idea that how will a cupboard look like in a student dormitory. So there is a place to hang clothes, and to the left there is there are sections. So yeah, it's a bit messy. Let's close it. So we have racks, more racks here. So along with window we have study table and chair, like a small workspace. So now these are the curtains that were provided by the student dormitory, and then we have this bed to rest, and just above the bed we have two more sections for the storage. So now let's move to my favorite part of this apartment, which is kitchen, because it is so well organized and like small kitchen, but each and everything is included. So we have a drawer here, and then a cabinet to store. Then we have two more cabinets, but the left one is fridge and the right one is for the dustbin. Then we have a hot plate here, obviously for cooking, and then we have a sink to wash some dishes, and then we have more cabinets for storage, and plus a micro oven, which is really helpful. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye.